It's your boy Picaso Sterling here, and it's been a while since I uploaded a tech video, so today we're going to be doing what's on my Android 2013. Alright guys, let's go. So today I'll be showing you 3 custom themes for Android. Okay, so let's first begin. Let's unlock the phone here. And as you can see, this beautiful, gorgeous purple lock screen. Okay, we got the big clock right there. We got our notifications widget with the weather on that side. As you can see in that little circle right here. As you can see, and if you actually tap the circle, it does update, and I already updated, so it's not going to update again. Okay, and as you can see, you have your missed calls, you have your messages, and you have your battery percentage level. And of course, to complete this nice and sleek, beautiful looking lock screen, we have just a simple lock icon that if you tap it, it does unlock the phone. Now, when you unlock the phone, there you go. This is the home screen. Now this home screen is provided by the guys at mycolorscreen.com. okay, it's not hard to set up. You can watch the tutorials on YouTube as well. You just gotta follow those the guys at mycolorscreen.com. Now this theme, it's called Alone, and as you can see, the name is self-explanatory. There's that little guy right there sitting down, I guess hence the name Alone. Alright, so let's get right into this lock screen. Now the home screen. Now this home screen is basically for music lovers. As you can see, you do have a very big music widget, taking up half of the screen here. I'm going to get into that in a little while. Now, of course, there's nothing up here. This is just the wallpaper. Okay, and as you can see, you got your icons right here. You got your basically your phone people, you got your mail, you got your text messaging, your favorite apps, and a settings. Now this little icon right here that says lock phone, I'll get into that in a little while as well. So let's first start out with the icons. Okay, now just showing you the icons here. So I'm going to tap the icon. I have it actually set to my camera. Okay, so as you can see right there, that's my camera. And yes, this is actually the new camera app that's out. As you can see, we do have Photosphere, and I will do a later video on that, explaining the new the new camera, comparing it to Jelly Bean camera. Okay, so now basically what I did, because this is all one wallpaper, so I basically used Desktop Visualizer to put a blank app over the wallpaper, so you can actually make it whatever you want. So you can actually just yeah, well, this isn't a tutorial, guys. I'm just basically showing you what's on the phone. I'm just going to tap the music and show you that it's actually working. So as you can see, the music's working. Now, the actual name for the song isn't showing up yet. It does take a little while to refresh. If I get enough likes, then I will do a tutorial and show you how this is done. Okay, that's the music there. Your favorite apps, I just connected it to a folder, as you can see there. Okay, so basically this is just apps with a blank desktop visualizer over it. Okay, and it is a one-page home screen, guys, so it's just one page. Okay, now getting to this little icon right here. As you can see, it says lock phone, and of course if you were to tap it, it would lock the phone. See? Okay, and that's just dealing with widget locker, guys. So I mean, if you do like this Alone home screen, okay, if I get enough likes for this home screen, I'll definitely do a tutorial for it. So let's lock that. And the lock screen is called UVA or UVA or UVA, I don't really know how you want to pronounce that. Again, this is also this is also from the guys at mycolorscreen.com. Alright guys, so this has been UVA or UVA and the Alone home screen on your Android device. Alright guys, stay tuned. I got another one coming up. Second part of what's on my Android 2013. Still your boy Paul Picasso here. Let's get right into the second one. This I'm using my HTC Incredible S. Alright, so let's look at this now. Let's turn on that lock screen, see what we got here. Okay, now this is a fully customizable lock screen. It is widget locker. Of course, you know, for all you guys out there who knows widget locker, you know that this is a cool piece of lock screen technology there. As you can see, I have the custom title, you know, representing for Picaso Entertainment there. There we got our beautiful widgets. Now that is Eye in the Sky. Okay, and we have the HTC Sense 5 lock screen. Okay, this is all fully customized, guys. I put this all together. Of course, this theme was also inspired by another theme that is located on the mycolorscreen.com. So let's go into it right away. Let's slide that down. There we go. Nice little animation there, guys. Okay, so at the top you can see I have elegant clock. Okay, and that is all due to another great app, which is UCCW. You know, ultimate customized clock widget, something like that. I'm not sure about the name. So on this first screen, you know, you can clearly see the clock once again, and then I have just a simple widget plume, you know, which is fully scrollable, and I have my Twitter. I have my Twitter here, and I also have my Facebook here. Okay, so that's just the first screen. So as soon as you open it, you just see your you know, your social sites basically. Now this theme is called Slide. So I'm going to show you that in a second. Just down here in the corner, I have my app drawer. Okay, so you press that, and of course the app drawer comes out. And guys, the launcher I'm using, it is Go Launcher. So basically it's Go Launcher for the launcher and Widget Locker for the lock screen. So the name Slide is simply because of this. All you have to do is slide. Now, isn't that cool, guys? Now let's just do that one more time. Let's just slide that back, and then we're just going to slide across. And as you can see, I have a nice little clock here that comes through, and that's beautiful right there. Okay, now what you can also notice again in the bottom right hand corner, the app drawer. Now on the side here, we have a nice little panel, right? Now there we go. We have our dialer, messages, our text, browser, camera, picture, YouTube, and Google Play. Now again, using desktop visualizers, I set this up so it actually goes to all the apps. So for phone, all you got to do is tap on phone, and you are redirected to your phone. Okay, now I do have a simple Windows Phone style dialer set up there. Then we want to go back. So basically that's it. We have Google Play, YouTube, and when you set it up with desktop visualizer, you know, everything will work. You just gotta know how to set it up. And that's the ice cream sandwich camera that I put on this phone. Okay, guys, so this is Slide. Okay, you can also find it on mycolorscreen.com as well. You know, those guys over there, they really got some serious artists over there coming up with some nice themes and stuff like that, you know. Okay, and yeah, so that's Slide right there, guys. Okay, alright, so I'll be right back again with one more, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, this is the third and final one for today on what's on my phone, Android 2013. So here we go. Alright, now this theme is called Serenity. This is just Go Launcher. This is just a regular Go Launcher theme that I've chosen. I haven't put Widget Locker on this one as yet. Okay, now this theme is called Serenity, and as you can see, it's very beautiful, very stylish, very elegant. Now let's get right into it. Okay, so up here at the top left corner, you have your date and time. Okay, and a little weather forecast as well. Okay, in the top right hand corner, sorry, let me get a better view. There we go. In the top right hand corner, we have our notifications. We have Gmail, that if you were to tap on Gmail, it actually brings you to your Gmail. Okay, And of course this was set up with UCCW. Again, if you don't know UCCW, you need to get on that. Ultimate Customizing Clock Widget. Yeah, it's a serious app, guys. Now if you touch on the text, you are brought to your messages, and the same goes for phone. Okay, guys, and of course if you get missed call, that's how you know your notification. Missed call is going to come up around the phone icon. Missed text message and your Gmail will appear there. Now let's get down to the rest of the screen. In here we have a nice beautiful wallpaper, and I've actually set this up so when you tap on that, it does bring up my internet browser. Now how did I do that, guys? Again, using desktop visualizer. This is Next browser, possibly the next best Android browser next to Google Chrome coming out, guys. Okay, so you got to get an eye on that. Again, desktop visualizer in there for the Chrome. It's invisible, no words around it, nothing like that, but of course, you know, you customize your phone, you know where everything is. Okay, now here, guys, we have some basically some jump to pages dials, and I'll get into that right away. On this theme, Serenity, you do have, now it's a 3-page setup, guys, and you do have a nice little message right there. It doesn't change, it stays the same, of course. Nothing happens if you tap it, so don't worry about that, but it is there. It is part of the Serenity home screen. Now, of course, at the bottom left hand corner you have your battery percentage, and see it says discharging, of course, because it's not plugged in. That is your app drawer button. If you want to press that, it does bring up your app drawer. Okay, so there's your app drawer. Okay, so there you go, that's the app drawer. Let's head back. Okay, and in the bottom right hand corner you have your clock. Now if you do touch your clock, you are sent to the clock. I don't remember if I set it up that way or if it came with the home screen. If you press the battery, nothing happens, of course. Okay, so now let's get into these jump to pages. So now, of course, the red icon that just shows you that you're on the home. Oops, so sorry about that. So the red icon just shows you that you are on your home page. Okay, so that's not a button. The jump to buttons would be this one, which leads to the second page, music, and this one leads to the third page, which is sort of a social and storage page. So let's just jump right into the second page. There we go. Now for the second page, which is your music and sounds, as you can see at the top you have your sound levels. Now this is completely accurate, guys. It is linked to the actual system settings, basically. So you do have your sounds and everything right there. You have your alerts, your ringer, and your system. Now as you can see around the center here, we do have the music player buttons, and this is using try to remember, I think this is using power toggles, and if you don't know about power toggles, you got to get into that as well. Again, guys, if I get enough likes on this, I will definitely be doing tutorials on these 3 home screens. Just got to leave a comment, you know, down below. Click the like button, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll definitely do a tutorial. Okay, so let's just press play and pause to make sure that the music player does work. I just got to give it a second there. Let's touch that. Now the thing with these toggles, there's only a few music players that it actually does work with. Okay, originally this works with Player Pro, but I have recently got it to work. There we go. I've gotten it to work with the Maven Player 3D. Okay, but it does take a while. It does take a little time to actually get up there and register, basically. So you just got to give it some time to load. And also the next button, when you hit the next button. Okay, well, it's just on the single song. So, but as you see, the buttons do work. And the cool thing about Maven Player 3D that I like is that fade. So if you were to stop the song, it fades out. See what I mean? You play it, it fades in. And to skip a song, it fades out. It fades out and fades in. See? Alright, guys, and that's the music player. So again, Power toggles doesn't work with every single music player. Player Pro official initially, and I've gotten it to work with Maven Player 3D. So let's just jump right down into the bottom. Again, there we have our app drawer button. Over here we have a pictures and videos. Now, pictures and videos, guys, this is using minimalistic text. Again, if you don't know what these apps are, you like the video, leave a comment and I might make a tutorial letting everybody know how to do these things. So of course, if we were to tap on pictures, then it would bring up our picture app. Okay, for me, I decided to use Quick Pick. So that is my new, I don't use the stock gallery, I use Quick Pick. Okay, and of course then videos, same thing, videos, you tap it and it does lead up into your video player. And for my video player, I've chosen to use G Player over MX Player or BS Player. I like G Player because it does also give you a what do you call it? It gives you a pop-up player as well, and I like the pop-up because I like to watch a little video while I'm texting or watch a video while I'm playing a game, depending what it is, right? So hold on, there's just an update here for it. Sorry, I'm doing this during the video, guys. Okay, let's just hurry up and run this through. Continue, update. Okay, so while that's updating, I'll just get right back into it. Okay, guys, and again in the middle, we have this nice little circle icon here, and of course I did put a desktop visualizer in there, and I linked that to my camera. Okay, so that's where I put my camera. So this is sort of a media page, basically, right? Of course, I know you can see that. Again, the icon. Now, since we're on the second page, we do have a jump to icon for the home page. So if you were to tap on that, you would jump right back to the home page. So let's go back to the music page. And again, there's a nice little note there for you. Okay, now this does come with the theme, like I said. It's not able to change right now. You can change it, of course, but that's a lot of Photoshop thing, and I'm not going to get into that sort of thing. So as you can see, the messages are different for each page. Okay, just a nice little effect that I like that effect still. So, the name Serenity, it really fits it. It's very beautiful, very elegant. Let's just jump right to the third page, which is the storage and social page. Now, up here in the top left corner, as you can see, it does have your space. So it has your RAM, your SD, and your external SD. Over to the right, we have our social social icons. Okay, now there's a few ways that you can actually set up these icons. Again, this isn't a tutorial, but you can actually use desktop visualizers, but sometimes the icons might be too close. You can actually put the icons over it. If you change your icon size, you can put the icons over it, cover it with a blank PNG. You can also use Zooper widgets for this, where you can just type in a text, make it invisible, and set the text to actually open the account. But like I said, not a tutorial. You like it enough, I'll show you guys how to do that in a tutorial. So let's go ahead and click on Google Plus, and it does bring up our Google Plus. Just give it a second there. As you can see, this is our Google Plus. There we go. Okay, now let's go home, and of course, again, so Facebook, let's just tap in just to show you guys that it's all working. Let's go Facebook. Okay, there's that long press again. Okay, let's go to Twitter. Let's go to Twitter. There we go. And for Twitter, I use Plume. Okay. So I think I need to reset my my icons because it's oh wow, I think I just I just locked the phone. Okay, so for Facebook, I think my icon isn't set in the right location, so I'm just gonna try. Yeah, there's Facebook. So I just have to go in and reset my icons, guys. Okay. So that's that, and then of course again we have a message. There we go. You do have a message. Okay, and I'm just trying to focus for that message. It says friendship isn't a big thing, it's a million little things. Cool message there. Alright, at the bottom I got my Evernote, I got Instagram over here, again the App Store button, and for the middle, that's where I put my Solid Explorer, my file explorer. Now again guys, Solid Explorer is one of the greatest file explorers Android has ever come out with. You gotta check it out. There are two awesome themes, one light, which is what I'm using, and the dark theme. Okay guys, you can do everything with that, of course, extract, transfer, put to zip, all that sort of stuff guys, all that sort of neat stuff. So let's just jump right back to the home page. Okay guys, and that has been Serenity. Alright, now again, you know, don't be afraid to like, comment, and subscribe. You like the videos, you like these themes, you'd like to put these themes on your phones guys, you just like the video enough. If I do get enough comments, enough likes, I will definitely be showing a tutorial on how to do these home screens. Okay guys, alright, this is your boy Paul Picasso Sterling. Thanks for watching guys. You know, let me know what you think. Okay, and we'll definitely be doing this again, so all you got to do is just let me know, and I will definitely be putting up a tutorial about this. Okay guys, so again, Paul Picasso Sterling for Picasso Entertainment. Thanks for watching. Peace and God bless. I'm out.